Hello, Evergreen traders and investors. This is Jaycee the Guzman. Welcome to our EquiTalks episode number 24. For today's episode, we're going to talk about Arthaland Corporation or ALCO for its stock code. The underlying question is, what should you do if you already have ALCO in your portfolio? And in addition to that, I'll also answer the question of what are you going to do if you don't have ALCO but you are planning to have it into your portfolio. So let's answer those two questions, this main question and a bonus question. But before that, I'd like to mention that it closed today at 0.84 pesos per share or 0.84 centavos per share, and today's November 27. It went down by 2.33%. The total turnover value is not that significant. In fact, it only closed at 709,000 pesos only. Local traders are the main drivers of ALCO for today. Foreign investors did not register a net foreign today, and for year to date they are net buyers, but we should not be very clingy with their participation on ALCO because the size of their participation is not that significant on ALCO. The immediate support is at 0.83 while the immediate resistance is pegged at 0.97. It goes without saying that ALCO is on the brink of breaking below the immediate support. Watch out for that. That means ALCO has a bearish 10 MACD combo. At this point, I'd like to tell you that there is no confirmed buy signal for ALCO as far as our Evergreen strategy is concerned. With a historical volatility score of 55%, it already has a moderate risk level. The trade and volume distribution for ALCO shows that it has a bearish momentum power indicator, meaning to say it did not meet the bullishness criteria for all of the four elements of our momentum power indicator. And just in case you're wondering, what are these 10 MACD? What is this momentum power indicator? I don't see these names on the indicators on my trading chart, on my charting tool, I mean. Yes, you will not find them because they are unique at Equilyst Analytics. It was I who developed these indicators, and you will learn and know more about these indicators in our online stock market course, which I called the Evergreen Strategy in Trading and Investing in the Philippine Stock Market. Would you like to know more about it? Here, go to our website, www.equilyst.com, then click on Course. You will find the description of all the 6 lessons that I will teach you, that you will learn from me in this course. For the true market sentiment chart of ALCO for today, it is bullish. For week to date, it's bullish also. Now, for the month to date, it's bearish. So, what does this mean? How are we going to mix and match all of these pieces of information into to form a single data-driven decision? So here's the thing: if you already have ALCO in your portfolio because its trailing stop is still intact, there's no need for you to panic, no need to preempt your trailing stop, no need to reduce the percentage of risk, or it's either number one, don't panic. Don't preempt your trailing stop. Okay, do not panic. Your other option is to reduce the percentage of risk in your trailing stop depending on your risk appetite. Okay, if you are quote unquote semi-nervous already around this time, then you can reduce the percentage of risk on your trailing stop. Speaking of which, I have a trailing stop calculator. It's on our website. Go to resources and then tools. You'll find all of our calculators there. You can use them for free. You're welcome. Yeah. So now take note here that I don't see a formation of a bullish convergence. Let's go back to the chart. When you click this chart, you will see the bigger version of this picture. So there's no formation of a bullish convergence between the positive and the negative DMI yet, meaning to say the downtrend is still more than likely to continue. So if you have ALCO, if your trailing stop is still intact, just hold your position or reduce the percentage of risk on your trailing stop. Use my calculator for free. What if you don't have ALCO and you would like to have it? Well, relax. You don't have to hurry, because you need to wait for the 10 MACD and the momentum power indicator to become bullish. The question is, how would we know? Perhaps you'd like to ask me, how will I know? If you are a subscriber of Equilyst Analytics, then you can post a request in our private clients forum for ALCO or for any of the nearly 300 stocks listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange. Ask for our latest analysis and recommendation, just like what you have read or what you've heard from this video or podcast right now. We will tell you that, our analysis and recommendation. If you are a subscriber, you can post an ad hoc request, an on-demand request for our analysis in our private clients forum. And if you'd like to, where to subscribe? So you can subscribe by clicking the subscribe page or menu on top on our website, and then you will have to read all of those details there so that you will know what you will get when you subscribe. Now, if you'd like to understand my overall strategy from the ground up, from stock selection all the way to the execution of your trade plan, I recommend that you avail of our online stock market seminar, or you can call it online stock market course, which I call the Evergreen Strategy in Trading and Investing in the Philippine Stock Market, by clicking this course menu on our website. Alright, so that's it for EquiTalks episode number 24. We just discussed Arthaland Corporation, or ALCO for short. Do not forget to subscribe to our free newsletter on our website. At the bottom of each of those articles, you will find the sign-up form for our free newsletter. You will also find it on the footer section of our website. Alright, so sign up there, it's free. Again, this is Jaycee de Guzman of Equilyst Analytics. Always remember, be evergreen.